Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Cline.ai. Cline.ai is a smart coding tool designed to help programmers write and organize code more easily. It works smoothly with VS Code and connects to several popular language models for better results. The tool is very good at creating multiple files and setting up entire project structures quickly. Users can see the code being written step by step and make changes as it happens. Cline.ai also run command-like tasks and automate different steps inside the coding environment. It gives users full control with options to review changes, save versions, and approve updates before applying them. Many programmers find it helpful for handling large and complicated coding jobs. To get started, go to the profile icon in the top right corner. To continue with Google, select the Google option. Then, choose your account and sign in the Cline.ai website. By continuing, Google will share your personal details with Cline. After that, you can view your credits and account. Sometimes it has trouble keeping track of information when dealing with very big files or complex tasks. Using the tool heavily can lead to higher costs because it requires a lot of computing power. Overall, Cline.ai is a strong and adaptable tool that helps developers work faster on detailed coding projects. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.